Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing Masirah Island Resort in Oman. I'll take you on a complete room tour, show you the resort facilities, and share my honest experience of staying here. As soon as I arrived, the entrance immediately gave a calm and welcoming vibe. The lobby is spacious, clean, and well-maintained, with simple but pleasant decor. Walking in, you instantly feel the relaxing island atmosphere. When I entered the room, it felt clean, simple, and comfortable. The room has all the basic facilities you need: air conditioning, TV, fridge, electric kettle, side tables, wardrobe, and seating space. The bathroom is clean and well-maintained, with fresh towels and basic toiletries provided. Some furniture is a bit old and worn, but still functional. The bed is soft and cozy, with neat bedding that made my stay relaxing. This isn't a luxury room, but it's well maintained and comfortable. One of my favorite features is the balcony, where you can sit and enjoy the fresh island air and peaceful surroundings. The resort offers basic facilities that are enough for a relaxed stay. The swimming pool is clean and spacious, a nice place to unwind during the day. The staff is polite and helpful, which makes the stay even more comfortable. Overall, Masirah Island Resort focuses more on peace, simplicity, and comfort rather than luxury. If you're expecting luxury interiors or entertainment, this may not be the right choice. I hope this room tour and resort review helps you decide if Masirah Island Resort is right for your stay. Breakfast at resort is simple but satisfying, perfect for a relaxed island stay. The food is fresh and neatly arranged, and everything looks clean and well taken care of. If you like omelets, you can request one, and they prepare it fresh on order, which is a nice touch. One thing I really enjoyed is having breakfast with a view. Sitting here, enjoying the morning breeze and peaceful surroundings makes the whole experience even more relaxing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest travel and hotel reviews.